Hello students, this is a video to show you how to use Kami to type on and draw on and do other things to documents that your teacher shares with you in Google Classroom. So first you will go to your Google Classroom and then maybe you get your assignments in the stream. So here I can see my teacher posted a new assignment via Kami and it's called Practice Telling Time. Or maybe you get your assignments from classwork. However you get your assignments, you will click on your assignment and then you'll see it's attached with something called a PDF. Usually if it's a PDF, you can't do anything to it besides look at it. But with Kami, you can actually draw on it, type on it, and other things. So we're just going to go ahead and click on it. Now you see it says Open with Kami. In order for you to see Open with Kami, you have to have done two things. You have to have added this little purple K, which is the Kami Chrome Web extension. If you do not know how to do this or what this means, ask your teacher and ask a parent to help you. You will also have to have signed up for a Kami account. Again, ask your teacher or parent for help if you need this. Once you have done these things, you'll be able to click Open with Kami, and then you'll see this come up. So here's the worksheet that my teacher wants me to do. So you can see I need to write the time. So I'm going to write the time below the clocks. So one way I can do this is just by drawing. So I click on the drawing tool. I can choose what color I want to use. And then I can use my fingertip or I can use the mouse. And I can actually draw right on the document. Just like that. Now I can also change how thick my drawing is. So maybe for this one I want to write in green and I want it to be a little bit thicker. So I'm going to write 12. Okay. But maybe I want to actually type instead of draw. If I want to type, I will click the T for text box. And then I'm going to click right where I want to type. So I'll write 3. And then I type and do another text box right here, 18. Okay, so these are a couple of different ways that you can add to your document. So same thing if I wanted to type in my name, I could do that right up there. And I can bold it and I can do different things to the text in the text box. Other things that you can do if you click Markup, you can highlight. So if your teacher ever asks you to highlight things, you choose the highlighter and you just select. And you can highlight in different colors also. You can also make a comment if you need to make a comment about something. Maybe you're not sure about something. You can even click comment. And you can type, you can just make a little click in a box. And then you can say, I wasn't sure about this one. So you can even do that. I could type it and you can see I can even record my voice, leave me a comment. I can do an equation. So if I'm a student and I need to use math symbols, I can click equation, click the little pi symbol, and then I have all of these symbols I can use as well. I also have shapes that I can insert if I want to. So if for some reason I want to add a triangle, I can just do that. I can even change the angle of my triangle. So lots of different options here. You can do an eraser. So if I want to erase something, I just choose eraser and I can click on something that I can click on something that I've just done. Yep, just like that. So I can click and drag and it'll erase. So these are the main ways that you might use Kami. And then when I'm all finished, I click Turn In up here at the top. You can see it says not done right now. I'm ready to turn it in, so I click Turn In, and it's saving, turning it in, and now I'm all done. And that's all that I need to do. So again, if you have any questions about Kami, make sure to ask your teacher and ask a parent for help.